Hello everyone, welcome to your heart readings, and here we go. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLSSC Shells Running, and sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Okay. This is going to be collective, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and what I am hearing is like someone is feeling more hydrated. HYDRATED, hydrated. And two cards came through, one card at a time. Someone is feeling more hydrated to talk now. Someone is feeling more hydrated that now they're ready. Now they're emotionally feeling compatible or emotionally ready. Basically, in simple words, someone is emotionally ready because things are under control in their life now and they want to talk, okay? So first card came through, which was amazing, is Ace of Swords. I also hear some of the heavy talks. Someone may explain you something, but basically this is about breakthrough in your situation. Truth out, concepts clear, no lingering on situation, yes, no's getting clear. Some of you will get yes for something here. I also see, because of the hydrated version, they are ready to talk. They're ready to clear out the stuff. I feel like self-out, like it's about whatever they want to say, it's about self-talk, okay? It means not to self, it is about they're going to talk by self. Okay, fine, what do you want to say? Okay, I was, that time frame, something happened, blah, blah, blah. Then you have Knight of Swords energy, which is amazing because you have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe, but these are for all the signs, and I am getting this vibe of like something will be fast coming in order to clarify you this. They're going to be so fast when they're going to reach and they're going to say, like, it's like mic in front of you. So what do you think about this situation? So what is this? So this is about even live interviews going on in real sense, because many things are going on. Some of you might be reporters, some of you might be, you're taking interviews and you have to reach somewhere fast. I also see recordings. I also see something that you need to send it right away. It's you need to decode it, okay? That kind of energy. The lies will be brought in front, wherever that is connected and however it is connected, even with you. Maybe industry wise, maybe some corporate sector, maybe something else, something big, huge truths will be delivered. Maybe it is about, you know, the news and the reporting and all that stuff, interviews, or maybe this is something connected with your own life and relationships right now. Whatever is going on, general vibes, okay? Someone is in a hurry to deliver something to you, and it is important. It is about the thrones as well, the positions. So position of a relationship even, okay? Are we going to talk? Are we going to discuss? So we are talking about here that some of the things will be out and about. And if it is about certain connection, someone is in rush to tell you exactly what was the deal. What was the truth? I feel that energy. So something will initiate here, definitely. And this person is going to deliver this news or situation clearance as fast as possible. The message should be as fast as possible. Okay, let's see what is coming. Okay. With hydrated, someone is ready to communicate with you, but when they are going to be in rush, when they're going to be in hurry, they also need water when they reach at your place. Ask them water. They're going to be dehydrated. But then when they reach at your place, they're going to be hydrated, and you're going to say, now what? Are you okay? And they're going to be, yes, now I'm hydrated. They have something important to deliver. Ace of Pentacles, there's sincerity, or this may be some call from your work or new job opportunity. It's yes. Something will be fast. Maybe this is about email exchange or something that is again going to be really fast. But Ace of Pentacles is your new opportunity. You're laying the foundation for something. This may be money coming in. This may be some, you know, support coming in. This may be something connected with work, okay? Maybe I'm also seeing here someone is getting appointment letter for somewhere place or something, or approval. Something is processing and it's going to get through. With the Ace of Pentacles, this is also love related situation getting clarification. Okay, something will be offered to you. Knight of Wands energy, a new chapter begins, I see here. This may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Because I'm picking for all the signs and these are heart readings, I am trying to do more of these readings, so in order to see the what is the exchange of vibes and everything. Knight of Wands energy, someone is in hurry to meet you. They might be traveling regarding work. As I said, something is going to be manifested. Okay, after meeting you, they'll feel more hydrated. I also feel that it's exchange of something, exchange of talk. Maybe they are going to get hydrated emotionally when they talk to you. Nope, see. Can you tell us what's coming? What is coming for you? What is coming for you? Okay, look. First, I heard emotional stability. Six of Pentacles, work-related stabilization. It's going to be equalized, or something that is yours you're going to get, hike or something like that. This is also affectionate and genuine connection and genuine talk. The one who is at distance, Eight of Cups, the one who is at distance and emotionally feeling drained will feel hydrated again when they talk to you. Here you go, you have the cup. Here you go, you have the talk. This is emotional conversation I see in the picture. It's going to be really fast, but they won't. Someone is in hurry, but someone, the one person over here, they want you to stay a little bit, you know, stay calm and then talk. This may be Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or for some cases, Pisces, and in particular, you have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You also have Judgment. It's about, I'm just going to reach, drink water. Maybe someone is drinking water by the time and feeling hydrated, and now I'm ready to talk. So Judgment, call back. Someone is calling you. Actually, they are calling you to convey you something important. Possible it is about their work. They are connected with you, of course. They may offer you even love here. For some cases, something is getting official. Let's see. It's coming for you. Can you give us the energy? Upcoming event, upcoming meeting, upcoming talk is going to be very important for you. This may even combine, or this may be the calling of collaboration. Somewhere it's going to be big, okay? So maybe work related. You have King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy is coming in the picture. Now you have some offer coming from this person. This may be very, very genuine. Maybe work related. Maybe some of you are getting help from someone who is good in command at work. But I also feel it is something that is going to be authentic and will be processed, and this may be certain document, this may be some connection of, like, what do you get that via email or real-time appointment letter. I feel like there's some kind of victory here. That's what I see. Okay, and I also see like maybe this person is offering you love. This may be someone new, but I feel like this is the one you know possible, but you never expected possible this. Or maybe inside you might have thought you might be in talking terms with them. I feel like this person is going to deliver you certain news, certain feelings. This person does hold feelings. Let's see in the future. And it's not even necessary that this person should be only Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. However, this person is genuinely good and grounded. They are grounded and knowledgeable. And it is also someone who does possible have a good job or good business and stability. They have good source of income. They are not into like this multi-thinking. Because their thoughts are stable, because they are stable in their life. And it's very important. It does affect us. If we are, regularly doing our work on proper base, the person who is more organized is more worth, I feel. Look, someone over here is single. For some cases, 9 of Pentacles, working independent, but single. And you may end up talking with the one. Some of them, whoever this person is, they may be looking at you like, potential, good potential, okay? 9 of Pentacles, this may be your own energy of living alone, means independently. You have a lot of confidence here. This may be certain opportunity coming your way, which will make you more independent financially as well, okay? Something that's good here. It's a good thing. feel like this is heading towards 10 of Pentacles, more stabilization, and even love related thing here for sure. Let me see what's coming from Sibila. I'm telling you, energies are shifting. Lots and lots of energies. I may not remember the full moon, mention and all that stuff, but I do feel, I feel the vibes later on. I may not be specifically doing that stuff and all that, but that's how my calling is. You have Lord. So Lord is something that you're going to take care of. You may become the Lord of. This is someone who is a businessman. For some of you, businessman, exactly. Coming towards female vibe, okay, or expressing, okay, they are stabilized, that's for sure. And with the merchant, it's maybe someone is having overseas business or someone is traveling for business. So that is also, it's like someone who worked really hard to become this. Okay, now this may be female vibe as well, but I see like looking forth. They might be traveling, okay, they may have businesses, if that's the point. Money is not a problem here, I feel. But I feel that they want emotions. Someone over here. Some of you might be dealing with the one who is single, and you are also single. Totally. And that makes so much of sense here. Knowing someone totally on a whole new level. You're going to meet someone who is going to be more authentic. And they are going to be very much groomed. In control of their thoughts and actions. And they've achieved this a hard way. Like someone is self-made, I feel. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.